Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stella Simbe. How are you doing, guys? So if you're new here, you're welcome, and if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do this blunt cut twist wig. We're going to be ventilating, cutting, everything, guys, so watch till the end. So I'm going to be using expression braids color 340, and I'm going to divide it into 3 sections. And those sections, the first section, I'm going to do cut 6, and I'm going to twist those braids down at the back. And the second section, I'm going to do cut 5, and I'm going to twist those braids in the middle. And the last, I'm going to do cut 4, and I'm going to twist those braids on top, right there at the parting, at the closure part. So my braids, 1 packet of expression braid was not enough, so I had to do a color blend of color 30 and this 340. So yeah, I added just a little so that it will be enough. So this is color 30 and color 340, and I mix them and brush, mix and brush until you get the color blend that you want to achieve. So that is how I had achieved that color at the top, guys. And I wished if I had color blended everything, because the color on top, it was popping, guys. It was really beautiful. I wished if I had done that to the entire wig, but anyway, the end result was good. So right here, I'm going to be I've already sewn my Swiss lace right here, and I'm going to be cutting it off. I'm going to be cut the wig cap underneath the lace. We won't be needing it, so I'm going to cut that off. Then we can then measure how big my closure is, and we'll go into ventilation.
You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I can lay down beside.
So guys, right here I'm going to measure, and it's 2.5 inches by 5 inches. So that is how my closure is, and we're going to be ventilating on our own. So guys, I do have detailed videos on how to ventilate. I'm going to link them in the description. So right here I'm ventilating 1 line and skipping 1 line, and on the line that I'm ventilating, if you look closely at your Swiss lace, there are little boxes. So we're going to focus on 1 line. On that 1 line, on those there are lines crossing horizontally. So I'm ventilating 1 of those horizontal lines and skip 1, ventilate 1, skip 1, ventilate 1, skip 1. That way it will be easy for you to part your boxes. They will be really easy to part. There won't be any hair in the way, so it will be easy for you to do your parting anyhow you want. So that is what I'm doing right here, and I picked 2 strands of hair throughout the entire closure. So ventilate 1 line, skip 1 line, ventilate 1 line, skip 1 line. And on the line that you're ventilating, that vertical line that you're ventilating, make sure you ventilate 1 horizontal line, skip 1 horizontal line, ventilate 1 horizontal line, skip 1. Those tiny horizontal line in your vertical line. I hope you understand what I'm trying to explain right here, guys. So if you don't understand, you can just ask. I'll explain more in the comment section. If you have any questions, you can just ask in the comment section, and I will answer you there. So guys, after ventilation, we're going to be doing the twist at the back. So guys, make sure that the hairline that you're ventilating on your closure is not in the same line with your wig cap. It's a little bit forward, so that when you are done, the hair that you are going to twist on your closure will cover that wig cap. It won't show. So right here I'm done ventilating, and I'm just going to do a little bun right here to keep the hair out of the way.
You should know it.
So guys, I've already twisted the first section with the braid that we did cut 6, and right here I've done the second section with the braid that I did cut 5. So I'm just going to show you how I did it. So just put your crochet past your wig cap, pull the hair through, and then open a loop and pass your hair through the loop like that. Put your crochet on your wig cap, then put your hair on the hook, then pass it through, open a loop, then pass your hair through the loop like that. So this is the hair that I've crocheted, and I'm just going to tie it up. Then we're going to be twisting that hair. we crocheted. So just take one. I'm using water to twist, so just take one, then twist, until you finish all those here that we crocheted here. Then we'll go to the last section, which we did cut 4, and that we did the color blend.
That I will see you soon.
So guys, the last line that we're going to do, we're going to be joining our closure and our wig cap. So I'm using the needle method, guys. I have a tutorial on this and I'm going to link it in the description. So just pass your needle through your wig cap and your closure like that. Then we're going to hold one side and pull one side through, and we're going to twist. So if you don't know this method, please do go and check out that tutorial on how to make a twist wig using a needle. So just twist your hair in the middle, then put it on your needle, then pass it through your wig cap and your closure, hold one side and pull one side out and twist like that.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are.
So guys, after you are done with this, we're going to be sectioning our closure into 3 parts like that. Then I'm going to do the other parts off camera. Then I'm going to be showing you this part right here. So I'm going to be sectioning the hair that I want to twist. Then I'm going to take my braiding hair, then I'm going to hold it like this, then take your hair and twist it like that, then start braiding about half an inch. Then you can put the hair that you ventilated on one side and you can twist like that. Guys, I hope you see exactly what I'm doing right here. So I'm going to be showing you 3 methods on how I planted my twists right here on my closure. So this is the first method that I did. I'm like this. Guys, this is self-explanatory. I don't know how to explain this, but you can see what I'm doing. So I will be showing you the second method after I'm done with this one. Yeah guys, so right here I'm going to be doing the second method. You can just put your braid right in front and you can do it like you're doing cornrows, right? You can hold your braid like you are doing cornrows, like the way that you start cornrows if you are adding extensions. So just braid half an inch, then you can put the hair that you ventilated on one side, and then you will be remained with 2 strands like that. Then you can twist. Yeah, so right here I'm going to be showing you the method that I showed you before. That is the method that I did throughout the entire closure. This one I find it easy for me. So make sure when you're braiding, you're pressing down your hair so that it won't run. It will be really tight on the roots. So make sure you press it down and do it slowly at the beginning so that it won't unravel, guys. Make sure you do it slowly when you're braiding. Then when you are twisting, it doesn't matter, you can do it fast. So this is the third method. Just section a small piece and a bigger piece, and the small piece join it to the hair that you ventilated and the other piece on the side. Then you can do your braid of 1 inch. Then you can divide the hair, the other piece, this is a 3 pieces, then you can divide 1 into 2. Then you put the hair on the other side, then the other one on the other side, then you'll be remained with 2 like that. Then you can twist. So guys, do let me know which method you prefer in the comment section, which method you like. Do let me know. So I'm done with the closure right here, and we are going to be dipping the hair in hot water. I did it off camera, and then we'll come back to cut the hair. And this is how it's looking before I put the hair in hot water, guys. This is how it's looking. So I'm just going to dip the hair in hot water off camera. Then yeah, that is how it's looking. Then I'm going to be cutting it. I'm using the neck of that mannequin as a guide, and that way it will be my shoulder length. my neck, shoulder, yeah, shoulder length. It will be my shoulder length. That is the guide that I did. So guys, make sure you don't cut short. Better to start long and trim your hair until you achieve the length that you want. It will be easy for you to do the correction when you cut long. You just trim little by little as you go until you achieve the length that you want. If you cut it too short, it will be really hard to correct that mistake. So after you're done with that, dip the hair again in hot water so that the ends will be really soft and secure. So right here I ventilated my baby hairs off camera, so I'm just going to cut them and then I'm going to curl them using my straightener like that. Then we're going to be wearing our wig, guys. I'm loving this wig, guys. This is my first time doing a blunt cut twist wig, guys, and I must say I did a good job on this one. Do let me know what you think. So this is my first time, guys, and if it's also your first time, you can achieve this or better. So guys, if you are new, please subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, like, and if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate you. So guys, I will be seeing you in my next video. Yeah guys, so don't forget to comment your thoughts. Don't forget, guys, please, and subscribe. Please, I beg you, please subscribe, guys. So goodbye.